Okay, so here's the thing. I could open a Patreon account and ask you for donations, but I do not entirely feel comfortable doing that. So all I can ask of you, if you like these videos, is to support this channel by disabling your ad blocker whenever you watch videos from Bitesize Korean, as well as watching the advertisement at the beginning of each video. If you do not want to do that though, I totally understand. Totally. Anyway, have fun learning something new. Hello everyone and welcome to the 5th lesson of the beginner course for Bitesize Korean. The point of these lessons is to provide you with short, manageable, bite-sized Korean lessons that will have you speaking Korean in no time. We have reached the end of our look at vowels for now. The two we will look at today are these two. The first one is enunciated as E. Again, E. It is usually written using a double E or just the letter I in our Romanized alphabet. The second is enunciated as E. You have to stretch out your lips when you make this sound. Think of it as having a ruler stuck between your lips. Again, E. This sound is usually written as EU or just U in our alphabet. Hence the reason some people write Hangeul as Hangeul using EU and some people write it as Hangeul with no E. One thing you do need to take note of though is that these two characters are a little bit different from other vowels. As I'm sure you remember, when you added a tiny little line to say for instance A, it changed its sound from A to Ya. Well, you cannot do it with these two characters. If you for instance add a tiny little line to E on the right, then you will have the character for A. If you add a line on the left, you will have the character for O. Hence, it is impossible to write the Y sound in Korean. That is why if you ever speak to a native Korean, they will say ear when they in fact are trying to say year. The same goes for E. If you add a line at the top, then you have O. If you add a line at the bottom, then you have U. Thus, again, it is impossible to write the Y sound in Korean. Now here are some common Korean words using these two characters. First up is E, which is Korean for two. E. E. News, which of course means news. 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 Oi, which means cucumber. Oi. Oi. Keda, which means to be big. Keda, keda. Miso, which means smile. Miso, miso. Amak for music. Amak, amak. Yogi, which means here. Yogi, yogi. And finally, basse, for you guessed it, bus. Basse. Basse. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you again in lesson 6, where we will start learning about the consonants. See you then, folks.